Hey, Bruce Naylor here, your Boom Consumer, and today we're looking at the Cowin E7 Pro active noise canceling headphones. These are available on Amazon. My affiliate link is down below for around $85 if you're interested in a pair for yourselves. This video is not sponsored, paid for with my own funds and all opinions of my own, and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting on YouTube. So these are an upgrade to the best-selling Cowin E7s on Amazon. And people are buying a ton of these, and for good reason. For $85, and I should say for under $100, $200, when you're looking for active noise canceling headphones, they can get very, very expensive. But Cowin makes good gear, and I wanted to check this out for you in this video. Now, these are available in black, blue, green, pink, purple, red, white. I got mine in red, and I'm very partial to red. Now, these are over-the-ear headphones, and I like over-the-ear headphones because these are designed for longer listening sessions. Generally, the ear pads are going to be thicker. The headband is going to be thicker on the headphones. They're designed for more comfort, but you can also get great sound with these as well. Now, these come with Bluetooth 4.0. You have 30 hours play time for music, 30 hours talk time if you're talking on the phone, and it charges in about 4 hours with an 800 milliamp hour battery. It has 45 millimeter drivers and also a signal to noise ratio of 85 dB and a frequency response of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. It covers that really high fidelity range, and that is an important thing when it comes to headphones. You want great sound. The active noise cancellation is designed for your lower frequencies, such as the rumble of a train or a jet engine, you know, if you're on a plane, but yet it should allow you to hear somebody talking to you. And of course, it should never interrupt your music at all. So Cowin advertises it's designed to have really deep bass response, and that is something I'm very curious to find out. I hope that it also has good mid-range and as well as a nice high-end. The headphones weigh 13.6 ounces. So let's take a look at the box. I did take the shrink wrap off earlier. Nothing really on the front or the sides. Let's take a look at the back. Your support at Cowin Electronics phone number, which is nice to have for support, but nothing really about the features. They're not advertising lots and lots of stuff on the box. Okay, let's open these up. Okay, so we have a nice case here. Let's take a look at this case. Nice kind of a rubber feel to it with a zipper, nothing, Cowin logo on the front and the back. So let's open this up and see what we get. Wow, those are gorgeous. I'm very partial to the color red, so that is just beautiful. I mean, front and center, there they are. But before we get to these, let's take a look and see what else is included. All right. So apparently $1 is donated to the United States Fund for UNICEF. Very nice. Oh, I see. Send us a video or selfie with your Cowin product and they'll donate $1. Well, consider that done. That sounds like a really good cause. So we'll put this off to the side. And it tells me that the maximum charging is 5 volts on here. Inappropriate charging may cause severe damage. Well, we'll be very careful about that as well. All right. In the pouch here, get your typical USB cable for charging, micro USB. Okay. And also included is a 3.5 millimeter audio jack or a cable. Handy because maybe you don't always want to use Bluetooth. Maybe you want to plug it in directly. And there you have it. So that's included. So you can use these wireless or wired, Bluetooth 4.0, or you can use the cable. Looks like we got some documentation here underneath. Let's take a look here. Your warranty card, and these come with a 24-month warranty, 30-day back, full refund if before you register it, and after you register it, 90 days for a full refund, 24 months limited warranty, and you get 20% off your next order. Cool. thank you card from Cowin. And instructions on how to connect it to your phone, your PC, or sound bar, I guess. Your computer. You could, okay. And of course, we have your owner's manual. We'll put that off to the side. Now let's get to the star of the show. These are gorgeous. Let's take a look at it's right here. Now these move at 90 degrees, 90-degree angle. There you go. Maybe I'll just turn them over. Nice pleather ear pads on here. Nice and soft. Very soft. Got a nice material inside. Chrome. That's something you don't really see on inexpensive headphones. A nice chrome finish. A nice design, metallic design. And let's see here, as far as controls are concerned, let's see, we have your volume up, volume down. This is your, and there's a marking on here. This is your right earphone. And anything else on here? Ah, the controls. So we have some plastic wrap on here I'll need to take off. Turning the headphone off, turning on Bluetooth, and using it with noise cancellation, activating that. What appears to be the microphone, because you can use this to make calls. And then your 3.5 millimeter jack for that cable. In up and down for your volume control. Not sure about that. I'll have to see what the manual has to say. And on the left ear cup, we have your charging cable. And I believe this lights up. This is a light telling you that is charging. No other controls that I see. Nothing seems to rotate. That is just beautiful. 13.6 ounces. Let's do the old stretch test. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nicely done. These feel in the hand like much more expensive headphones than $85. So I'm very, very impressed at this point. So I think what we'll do is go ahead and connect these to an audio source, give them a listen, and then I'll give you an opinion on the comfort of the headphones as well as the sound quality, because those are all important. But if they're not comfortable, you're not going to listen to them, you're not going to use them. So it's very important that they be very, very comfortable. All right, so I will be back in just a moment. I wanted to kind of go over a few things with you, some impressions, and over these controls one more time with you. This section right here of the ear cup is basically your controls on the phone. This is called the multifunction button, and there's a little indicator light on here. If it's flashing light blue, that means it's powered up. Solid blue means it's paired with your device. If you see a little white light on here, then that means you've got the active noise cancellation turned on. A short press of the minus sign will actually fast forward your song. A long press will bring the volume down. A short press on the plus sign will reverse, right? Look back on the music. And a long press will turn the volume up. And as I said, a press on the multifunction button will play, pause your music on here. And you also use that again to answer and hang up on a phone call. So we have that out of the way. I put some music, listen to some music on here. It's really difficult to demo how headphones are going to sound on the microphone, but that's cool. I've got a website on here. Well, it's not a website. It's a YouTube channel, audio library. It's all royalty-free music. I'll just pick something on here. Probably won't come across too well. I wanted something with a lot of bass, but we'll just go on and put this song on. And I'm just going to hold the headphones up here. may not be picking up too well, but these sound fantastic, and I've owned a lot of headphones. One of the things that Cowin does is they advertise that they really punched up the bass on these, and they have. These can be quite heavy on the bass. I listen to a lot of classic rock and that type of thing, and they sound amazing. I've worn them for almost 2 hours straight, and I mean, an over-the-ear headphone gets a little warm on the ears. You should take them off once in a while, just kind of let things cool off. They do the job. They do it really, really well. You can only pair these with one device at a time in case some of you out there are going to ask about that. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons. These are well made. These are solid made headphones. There's nothing cheap feeling about them. They are very comfortable. I'm going to flip these over. These ear cups, just turn it over. There we go. Nice thick padding on the headband. Nice thick padding on the ear cups. So they're very comfortable, super stretchy, adjustable on the ear cups as well. So you can get a nice, comfortable fit with these earphones. Excellent sound, again, heavy on the bass. That's what they advertise it for. So this is definitely a music lover's headphone. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. And of course, the price for $85, you're getting excellent value on these. Cons. The only con I could really think of, and I have a lot of audio and video devices, computers, and all that kind of stuff in the office here. When I engaged active noise cancellation, noticed a little bit of interference, but as soon as I moved out of the room with my phone, that went away. I'm going to attribute that to something going on in the electronics in the office here. Anything else, it might take a little getting used to as far as quickly locating the controls with your finger when you're wearing these, but that's just muscle memory, and the longer you use them, the more familiar you'll get with these headphones. So all in all, these are an excellent value, and I'm glad I bought them. They're going to be one of my favorite headphones for the time being. That's it. Bruce Naylor, your Boomer Consumer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.